Betty and Eunice to come so that I can introduce you, these two ladies. The work of transforming schools in Kenya is led by these two young ladies. Please clap for them. These are the ones who are championing clean energy in schools. And Betty is in charge of all the schools in the country. And Eunice is the one who has done this one. She's in charge of Western and Nyanza. This is where I want you to be in the next few years. This is where I want you to be. Eunice here is an alumni of what we call the Equity Leaders Program and Wings to Fly. She is from Wings to Fly and Equity Leaders Program. You can see it's possible, right? And you have seen all the Wings to Fly who are here. And Madam Principal informs me that we have also brought in one person from this school. Let me make this promise. If you get an A, those who are in Form 4, can you raise up your hands? Oh, they are here, all of them. All you need to give me is an A. Please give me an A, and then we'll find you a place to work in equity and start earning money when you are 18 years. Already one of your colleagues is with us, earning money. But next year, I don't want one. I want all of you.
You did the right thing to choose us. Thank you, Naivasha, and may God bless you.